Hello, and welcome to another Aristotac video tutorial. Today we are demonstrating how to install and replace a supervisor. To start off, we will be taking a look at the 7368 chassis. Looking to the left of the chassis, you can see we have the supervisor and where to locate it. You will see an arrow pointing up. This is how you will remove the supervisor. Gently push the piece inwards and it will fall back towards yourself. Once the piece is all the way flat, gently pull the supervisor outwards, as demonstrated. To reinstall the supervisor, align it correctly and gently push inwards until it clicks. Once you have pushed the supervisor all the way in, you now want to push the gray piece upwards. This will ensure that it is in correctly. And that is how to remove and install a supervisor. In case of any questions, please reach out to support@arista.com or call one of our hotline numbers. More details will be available. Follow the link in the description.